In this video, you will learn how to assemble the ReadyRack Smart Dry 6 all-purpose drying cabinet. When the dryer is delivered, the first thing you want to do is inspect the crate. Look around the entire crate and make sure it is intact and none of the stress or impact indicators have been compromised. Do this before you sign for it. The tools needed for assembly are a pry bar, cordless screwdriver, Torx screwdriver bit number 25, Phillips screwdriver, a wrench, hex key number 3 and 5 millimeter, and a level. Assembling the drying cabinet will take a minimum of 2 people. Using your cordless screwdriver and Phillips bit, remove the screws around the lid of the crate, then remove the lid. Carefully take out the small loose items from the top. Using your pry bar, pry back the metal tabs from the 2 corners of the crate. Have one person hold the large parts while another person removes the side. Next, remove all remaining parts and dispose of the crate. Make sure you have all your hardware prior to starting the assembly. We recommend laying down some cardboard to assemble the drying cabinet on in order to avoid any scratching to the metal panels. Locate the 2 back panels of the cabinet and lay them next to each other on the floor. Notice you will see a larger hole on the bottom left corner of the right panel. With your electric drill and the Torx number 25 bit, use 4 small screws to secure the back panels together along the seam. Always begin by getting each screw started first and then go back and tighten them up after they are all in. The top back ledge panel will go on next using 6 small screws. Slide the lip of the left side wall over the back panel edge. You will now attach the left side wall to the top back ledge using 5 small screws. Now, insert 4 small screws along the seam of the left side wall and back panel. Repeat the same steps with the right side wall. Next, you will need to attach the top front ledge. This will have interior lighting on it. Be sure to feed the electrical wiring down through the inside of the right side wall. You will use 6 small screws to attach it to the right side wall. There are multiple holes on the ledge panel. Follow the screw pattern you see here. Next, take 1 small screw and insert it directly up, securing the flange to the side wall. Repeat the same steps for the left side wall. Now you will take 2 small screws and from inside of the cabinet, put 1 screw in the top left and right corners of the side walls and front ledge. Next, you will attach the base of the drying cabinet. Each side will use 13 small screws. For the top 2 screws, you will need to use an extension on your electric drill to fit through the access holes. Now insert 1 small screw on each side, going directly up from the base into the side panels. Step inside of the cabinet. Using 6 small screws, you will secure the back panels of the cabinet to the base. Step back out of the cabinet and with the extension of your electric drill, put 2 small screws on each side of the base through the bottom access holes. The next step is to attach the bottom door kick plate with 2 small flathead screws. After that, you can screw on the 6 adjustable feet. A Phillips screwdriver or bit is recommended to install the feet. You are now ready to stand the cabinet up. We recommend a minimum of 2 to 3 people to stand up the cabinet. Now that the cabinet is in position, place the hood on top. Again, we recommend a minimum of 2 to 3 people to lift the hood up and onto the top of the cabinet. Make sure the hood is resting snug and in place. For the next few steps, it is important to wear your safety glasses. You will first install the center ceiling vent using 2 small screws. Now install the left and right ceiling vents using 6 small screws on each one. Make sure the vents are facing the right direction. The flange on the outer side of each ceiling vent will slide up into the sidewall panels. Some shifting of the cabinet might be needed to line up the holes of the ceiling vent and the hood. Now go back and using 4 of the longer bolts, finish attaching the left and right ceiling vents to the center vent. Next, connect the electrical wires to the hood and to the control panel. Locate the control board cover and secure it with 2 small screws. You will now place the front panel cover on top. Be sure the panel slides through the grooves on the hood so it fits snug. The next step is to hang the right and left doors onto the cabinet. Then secure the magnetic door stop to the top of the cabinet with 3 small screws. Close the doors and see if they line up. You might need to adjust the magnetic door stop so the door stops flush against the cabinet. If the doors are not aligned, adjust the feet of the cabinet until they are. You can do this by using an Allen key or a wrench. It is recommended the cabinet be secured to the wall with the wall mounting brackets. Finally, place the airflow coat hangers into their vented slots. Your cabinet assembly is completed. Contact your professional electrician and HVAC company to hook up the electrical and ducting for your cabinet. We hope you enjoy your Smart Dry 6 all-purpose drying cabinet for many years to come.